Technology and Livelihood Education. Food Preparation. Week 5 Part 1. Our topic is preparing soup. Following the safety standards. Review of the previous lesson. Directions: read each situation carefully. Choose the best answer based on the information provided. Number 1. A chef is preparing a thick pumpkin soup. He adds cream and pureed potatoes to make the soup smooth and creamy. Which component of soup is being used? Number 2. During a cooking competition, one contestant serves a clear chicken soup made from flavorful broth with no thickening agent. Which type of soup did the contestant prepare? Number 3. A student prepared vegetable soup using carrots, cabbage, and potatoes. Before serving, she sprinkled chopped parsley and added a cream swirl to make the soup more attractive. Why did she add these ingredients at the end? The following are the steps in preparing soup. Number 1. Prepare the ingredients. Wash, peel, cut all ingredients into uniform sizes for even cooking. Number 2. Sauté aromatics in a little oil or butter until fragrant. Number 3. Add liquid, either stock or water. Pour in stock or water to bring out the flavors and nutrients. Bring to boil. Number 4. Simmer. Reduce heat and let it simmer until the ingredients are tender and the flavors develop. Number 5. Season. Add salt, pepper, and other seasoning to taste. Adjust as needed. Number 6. Remove impurities if needed. Skim off any foam or impurities on the surface for a clear and clean tasting soup. Number 7. Final touches. Add fresh herbs or greens during the last few minutes of cooking. And number 8. Serve hot. Ladle the soup into the bowls and serve hot. Enjoy your soup. Remember, good ingredients and following the proper steps can make delicious and nourishing soup. Safety standards in preparing soups. Follow these safety practices to prepare soup safely and prevent accidents, food contamination, and illness. Number 1. Wash hands thoroughly. Wash hands with soap and clean water before and after handling food. Number 2. Use clean equipment. Always use clean pots, utensils, and separate cutting boards for meat and vegetables. Number 3. Check ingredients for freshness. Use fresh ingredients, check expiration dates, and avoid using spoiled items. Number 4. Prevent cross-contamination. Keep raw meat, poultry, and seafood separate from other ingredients. Use separate chopping board for meat and vegetables. Number 5. Cook to safe temperature. Cook soup to the proper temperature to kill harmful bacteria. Number 6. Keep soup at safe temperature. Keep hot soup hot or above 60 degrees Celsius, and the cold soup cold, or below 5 degrees Celsius. Number 7. Store soup properly. Store leftover soup in a clean, covered containers and label with date. Refrigerate promptly. Number 8. Avoid burns. Use oven mitts and handle hot pots and soup with care. Number 9. Keep work area clean and dry. Clean spills immediately and keep your work area clean and organized. And number 10. Wear proper attire. Wear a clean uniform, hair tied up, use apron for protection. And remember, safe practices today makes healthy soup every day. Performance task.
A time to remember. This is Dr. Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.